Why is it that 90% of cases in Nigeria where guardians are maltreating their maids are Igbo women? If you just hear that there is a case on social media whereby a maid of 7 years old, 8 years old, 9 years old, 10 years old is being maltreated by his or her guardian, that guardian will surely be an Igbo woman. Just enter the internet now and type in maids being maltreated by their guardians in Nigeria. Now Igbo women you go to see. If it happen for Lagos State, check the name of that woman where do that thing. Na Igbo woman. If it happen for Enugu, check the name of the person where do am. Na Igbo woman. Abia, Igbo woman. Anambra, Igbo woman. Ebonyi, Igbo woman. Imo, Igbo woman. Anyoma, Igbo woman. Why always Igbo women? This shows that so many Igbo women don't like the children of other women. We have to say the truth. This video go pay many Igbo women, but we go talk am. We not go do like say we know they see wetin dey happen. This thing is a pandemic in Igbo land where some Igbo women are maltreating their maids. Pikin of 7 years, you dey maltreat am. Look at what that woman from Enugu State did to her maid in Anambra State. The woman wey commit that crime na Enugu person she be. She dey live for Anambra State. Her maid is also from Enugu State. Maid of 10 years old. This woman carry plastic rubber, all this plastic bucket or plastic gallon. She put fire for the bucket or gallon. As the fire dey burn, that fire where they drop, that liquid where they drop, she carry and they drop am for 10 years old boy body. All over his head, all over his face, all over his body, all over his hands, everywhere in this young boy's body is burning. Imagine an Igbo woman with such evil mindset. That Igbo woman na bandit, na terrorist she be. The other time in Imo State, an Igbo woman killed her maid, small pikin where they below 10 years. As she just come back for what she say, that her maid they watch film with her own children for their parlor. She started beating the maid and that maid died instantly. News carry am. Now this Facebook we still see that news. Igbo woman from Imo State killed her maid because of say her maid follow her children they watch film. That one show say that maid not they ever watch film. If they watch film, she go carry that maid, maybe lock her for somewhere or send her comot. The other one that happened in Abo, Delta State, a woman from Abo, she carried the hand of her maid, small pikin. It be like she dipped the hand of that small pikin for fire, or she carry hot water, they pour the small pikin for hand. She don't condemn the hand of that small pikin. Police arrested that woman. A lady on Facebook shared her story. She said that her auntie came to their house and told her mother that she would like to carry this her little child to the city. That she will put that little child in school, she will take care of her, she will do her this, she will do her that, she will make the child happy. That she just wants that child to be living with her. The small pikin they jump up, they happy, they talk say, hey, she want to live with her auntie, she want to go to school, she want to do this, she want to do that. The woman carry the pikin, give that her sister. As they carry this girl, go where they carry her go. This girl not they go school. They maltreat this girl, maltreat this girl. The next time when the woman come back to that village, she carried the corpse of that little child back to the village. What happened to her? She dey hawk. We sent her out to go and hawk, and motor jammed her. She now died. Small pikin below 10 years old. Why is it that so many Igbo women are evil? I no go talk say nah few Igbo women. This one say they do this evil. They are small in number. Majority of Igbo women are wicked. They don't like the children of other women. We go talk am. Anybody wey want pay make it pain. This thing is getting out of hand. All the news for social media, Igbo women are maltreating their maid. Young boy where they do boy for their oga. If you see the way the wife of their oga is marginalizing them, you go dey ask yourself, na Igbo woman be this? Wunyodogu, wicked wunyodogu everywhere. Pikin below 10 years old, now you dey give fruit to go dey hawk. Trailer dey pass, 911 dey pass, reckless drivers everywhere. You carry something give small pikin below 10 years, make you go dey hawk. These ones na the ones wey we see for social media, no be the ones wey be say e still dey happen as we speak. Any parent wey carry im pikin below 10 years old give person to dey train for am, that parent is a useless parent. Woe to such parents. Small pikin, you carry your pikin give person to dey train for you. The person go carry my pikin go university. Oh yeah, so can one put in here. You no fit train your own pikin. If you no go fit take care of your children, no born at all. If only one you born, dey with that one. You are poor, you born like 10 children. In order to survive, you start to dey carry your children, dey share, dey give people to train for you. Failed parents. You think say the world care about you? The world does not care about your children. No matter who that person be to you, don't give your child to that person. Most especially Igbo women. This thing is a monster in Igbo land. So many Igbo women are monsters. If you come this Igbo land, so many maids not dey go school. The school where madam children dey go, their maid not dey go that school. Their maid dey go one yeye school like that, one local school. Their own children dey go better school. You go see some Igbo women wey be say once you enter their house, you go easily know the one wey be maid. If you just enter their house like this, look all the children where they there. You don't spot the maid. You go just tell them on game on car, you go say no, you go say good. You show for him body. Your maid go they wear tattered clothes. Your children go they sleep. Maid of 10 years old, 7 years old, go they wash plates for night. You go they fetch water. Small pikin, you they maltreat them. If you be Igbo person, stop giving your children to Igbo women to train for you. Hold your pikin for house. So many Igbo women are evil. The worst part be say, we don't know the ones who are good. Because for comment section, you're going to see so many of them. I'm an Igbo woman, but I cannot do such a thing to someone's child. Don't mind them. Give them someone's child to train and you will see the venom. You will see the demon in them start to manifest. This thing dey vex me. Other ethnic nationalities for Nigeria, take them, they mock Igbo nation. Igbo women, I say they're wicked, I say that they maltreat people, children. The husbands of those women, now them be the worst. You go see your wife, carry hand, they wipe a child of 7 years old for back, they beat them, they wipe them for ground. You, the husband, you could look like mumu. As your wife, they beat that pikin, look that pikin, what if this child is my child? And someone is beating my child like this. Child below 10 years old. That woman where they give 10 years imprisonment, why they go give her 10 years imprisonment? That woman is supposed to be life in prison. If they don't give her life in prison, they're supposed to give her 50 years. I'm a good woman, I cannot be like her. Don't mind them, now them be that. Even the ones who be pastor's wife, you can see that they go they laugh. Hey, make that pikin go live without your pastor wife. Now that time you go know say that devil that they pray against for church. Now that pastor wife. Wait till your pikin go suffer for a hand. If you don't like your maid, send them back to where you carry them from. Send her back in good health. If your maid the thief say this pikin the thief, oh, no be beating go make her stop to the thief. As he the thief, carry that maid back to her mother. Tell the parents say your pikin the thief, oh, I no one carry thief keep for my house, oh. Fine. With that, you will have humanity in you. If you start to beat that man, say see what you do, they beat her, they maltreat her. The world will not say that this is what this maid did. Now that one where you do, everybody go hold on to. So I'm not one mad hoima, watch ya zonebisi kule. But instead, some Igbo women go they maltreat that pikin. I don't see people where they don't say they don't want to make their pikin marry Igbo women. Hey, Igbo women are wicked. They maltreat people children. The way that they maltreat people children. See the one way they for her compound. The way she they maltreat her maid. The maid not go drink water drop cup. All the time she go they beat her. Igbo women. No, I don't allow my pikin marry Igbo woman. No. All these things now waiting and they see with my own eyes. I know they talk and say people they talk and I see these things with my own eyes. So many Igbo women are wicked and evil. Parents from Igbo land, stop giving your children to Igbo women. If you come from another ethnic nationality, no give your pikin to Igbo woman. No matter how kind that Igbo woman be, no give her your pikin. Go social media, 90% of videos, 90% of news where the guardians of maids, they suffer those maids. Some maids lose their lives. Some maids are being disfigured. You go see guardian go dey pour maid hot water. Guardian go carry pressing iron, press maid for body. Na Igbo women dey do am. The names of those women wey dey commit all those evil acts, na Igbo women. Igbo women are now turning into something else. For Nigeria, people wey carry feminism for head na Igbo women. They want to be bigger than men by all means. Go social media. Women for Nigeria wey carry feminism for head. Na them be Rambo for feminism. Na Igbo women. Check divorce cases of Nigerians for abroad. If Igbo man just make money, carrying wife go dey live for Obodo, the next way you go see na the wife go start to dey seek for divorce. To divorce her husband and to share his property. Igbo women are now something else. This issue should be looked into by our government in the southeast. Because this thing dey too much. So many children for Ebola wey dey see wey dey hawk things for markets. Na maid they be. No be their parents send them to go dey hawk. You go see some Igbo women, they go their village, carry person pikin from that place, come their house as maid. The only way that pikin go do now, to go dey hawk orange, to go dey hawk. If trailer can't kill the pikin, they go carry the body, go back village, go give the parents of the pikin. Hey, as you can see, trailer boy ya. I be no want to talk about this issue, but I decided to talk about it. So many Igbo women, they wicked, they don't like another person pikin. We go talk am. If they pay me as I tell you talk am, but I must talk am. If we are many person want marry Igbo woman now, hey boy, mama go tell her, no marry am. Hey Igbo women, when they like people children. If I can't carry this our pikin, give you now, say make you follow now they leave. Now so your wife go to maltreat my pikin. No, not marry Igbo woman, no. All this evil act where so many Igbo women they commit, they spoil the name of Igbo women where they responsible. How many times you don't see Urobo, Ijo, Isekiri, Calabar, Efik, and other women from other trans-identic nationalities where they live for Igbo land, they commit such acts? I never hear say Urobo woman pour hot water for her maid body. I never hear say Isekiri woman pour water for her maid body. Now always Igbo women, all the time Igbo women. If you happen for Lagos State, check the name of the woman who committed na Igbo woman. If you happen for Enugu, Igbo woman. If you happen for Anambra, Igbo woman. Igbo women all the time are treating their maid. Igbo people, stop giving your children to Igbo women as maids. If you not be Igbo person, no give your pikin to Igbo woman as maid. No matter the good intention wey she gets, no give your pikin to that Igbo woman. Ishewale.